Welcome to Nova Formworks, where our innovative plastic formwork system is transforming construction with simplicity and efficiency. If you're curious about how easy it is to assemble and disassemble our panels, let's walk you through the process. And don't forget to check out our detailed videos for a closer look. Nova Formwork panels are designed for seamless assembly. Each panel is lightweight at just about 18 kg per square meter and comes in various sizes that can be joined together in different configurations. This modular design allows you to create the exact structure you need with ease. Assembly is fast and straightforward. Nova panels are securely connected with locking pins, which ensure a strong bond between panels. These pins make it easy to join panels to achieve the desired configuration and provide a smooth finish that reduces plastering costs. Locking mechanism for sturdy construction. Once aligned, the panels are locked every 150 mm with our patented locking pins mechanism, preventing any concrete from leaking between panels and ensuring a clean, solid structure. Our modular panels are designed to handle up to 6 tons of concrete pressure per square meter, perfect for heavy-duty applications like walls, slabs and columns. Effortlessly, disassembly of Nova panels. Disassembly of Nova Formwork panels is just as easy. We provide a specialized tool to safely remove the pins, making disassembly quick and maintaining the panels in excellent condition for future use. With the pin removal tool, panels come apart effortlessly, saving on labor costs and reducing project time. For a detailed walkthrough, check out our disassembly video to see the entire process in action. See the full process in action. Want to see more? Watch our column assembly video, wall assembly video and disassembly video to learn the entire process from start to finish. Nova Formworks is here to make construction easier, faster and more efficient. See it for yourself. Visit novaformworks.com and explore our full range of products and services. Hit the bell icon to get more updates and don't forget to subscribe to Nova Formworks.